guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna be working on a Mitsubishi Evolution, Lancer Evolution. So this is the car. Looking pretty aggressive here, guys. The front is insane, guys. This car belongs to a friend, and it's got up from a paint shop, and the paint shop finishing is not really that great. So we're gonna do a little bit of work on the exterior just to remove all the paint shop uneven finishing, and we're gonna clean the interior, which I already removed the back seat. Yeah, it's kind of a mess. So the back seat is actually in quite a stained up condition, if you see this. It's not really at the best condition, so I actually removed and cleaned one of the cushion already, and just to see how it turns out before I proceed to the next one. And then I am going to do a wash, detailing, polishing on the paint and everything. Then only I will finish it off with a layer of wax. So stay tuned, guys. If you guys enjoy the video, remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and press on the post notification bell button. I'll see you guys at the end of the video.
I'm running your way, but you push me away. Your lifeline, losing your mind. I'm here for you, babe. I've loved you the same this whole time. So tell me, what's on your mind? And I'm not here to hear you say you're fine. I can take the pain you hold inside. I wanna know, wanna see it. Can I feel your kryptonite? Can't get this off my mind. Does it only control you? Let me in, I'll help you out. I won't lose you this time. You think you're too far, but I'm where you are, you know. I said I won't leave your side. They left you bare, but I'm begging you, stare in my eyes. For you, yeah, I give my life. And I'm not here to hear you say you're fine. I can take the pain you hold inside. I wanna know, wanna see it. Can I feel your kryptonite? Can't get this off my mind. Does it only control you? Let me in, I'll help you out. I won't lose you this time. I wanna know, wanna see it. Can I feel your kryptonite? Can't get this off my mind. Does it only control you? Let me in, I'll help you out. I won't lose you this time. Watch out, They said I won't see you coming. Blind side for sure. One blink now we're standing face to face. And I'm hesitant, hoping you'll come my direction. I get in ahead of myself. You're smiling cause you know you got my attention. Now it's up to me. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient, dear, just stay right there. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient, dear, just stay right there. Close now, could I be falling for you? Jaws on the floor, you got that something I can't explain. And I'm hesitant, hoping you'll come my direction. I get in ahead of myself. You're smiling cause you know you got my attention. Now it's up to me. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient, dear, just stay right there. Won't you just stay right there? You're looking at me and I can't help stare. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there.